Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Neelam, and I'm back with another reading for all of you. And this question is dedicated to Shisha. She suggested this question to me today in the morning, so I just thought of doing this. And yeah, it is there in everybody's mind right now while a lot of us are away from each other in different cities, in different parts of the country. So I do sense that there is this urge to meet, to talk. There's a longing, there's a sense of longing, and there are a lot of people who've been waiting to meet each other. And yeah, this is the time. So, the question that I'm doing today is on the similar lines. It's basically, are you going to meet them soon? And how is it going to be? So, we look at a yes or a no, and then we are going to look at if we can pick up some uh, details about the meeting as well. And so, firstly, a big shout out to all of you for all the gratitude that you guys show to me in form of comments and in form of your feedback. It really makes a huge difference. Makes a huge difference for me, and it motivates me to do more and more readings for all of you. And I personally have started to get I really want to do a reading for all of you one day. I mean, like every day. So it's that kind of an energy that I sense. Okay, so coming back to the question, are you going to meet them soon? So as you can see, that there are three piles here. This is number one. This is the clear quartz. Number two is the green aventurine, and number three is a black obsidian. Okay, so pile one, pile two, and pile three. So you can pause the video, meditate over the questions, think about the question, whichever one you feel attracted to, and go ahead and select. I would say go for one pile, but yeah, if you feel, I mean, I've seen a lot of you commenting uh, below that you feel attracted to more than one pile, so that's also fine. I mean, as long as you I know it happens because at times, maybe there is a message for you in probably two piles or three piles, absolutely fine. But I'm just suggesting that if you can just go for one pile because that will give you more clarity. Alright? Okay, so yes, timestamps are there in the description below, so you can go there, see the timestamp, and go to your reading directly. And yeah, let's begin the reading. I'm like super excited to, go ahead and explore the reading for all of you because you know what? I mean, even if the piles are telling you about the current state of mind of your person and you see that, they are a little caught up or whatever, but I feel that everything has a positive side. So it's good that you're getting to know. It is good that you're getting to know what they are going through. So accept it. I would want all my viewers to accept truth. I know that at times the truth is harsh, but it is important. It is important, it is critical for you to accept truth, whatever it is. Now, if you trust tarot, then yes, go ahead and listen and explore and understand the situation of your person at this point of time, and you will get a considerable amount of clarity there. All right, a lot of jazz. I can keep going on like this, but let's begin with pile number one. This is the clear quartz crystal. Just give me a moment. Okay, pile number one, clear quartz. So let us see, are you going to meet them soon and how is it going to be? Clear quartz. Oh my god! It says, I'm sorry, I get really excited when I see all these things. It says, spend quality time together. There go your answer. But yeah, let's check out all the other cards as well. Nine of Wands. Great adventure. Take a risk, venture forward. Third eye chakra. Heart chakra. Ooh. No wonder. Yeah. Okay. So, are you going to meet your person soon? Okay. So, firstly, what I think from the cards is that yes, you will meet your person. So, don't panic. Okay, don't feel. I mean, I think times have been a little testing for both of you. Whoever has chosen this pile, you and your partner as well. It's not only you. So I'm seeing that, yeah, the times have been a little testing where you feel, that you've done a lot, and now was just the time when you were supposed to see the result, and everything has just like become a little topsy turvy. But relax, okay? There is good news for you here. You will meet your person. You will meet your person. I'm seeing a time frame of uh, June, July, and this is going to be beautiful. Okay, you guys are going to spend some really good quality time listening to each other, talking to each other, understanding each other. I also see that there's going to be some heart to heart. I mean, this is not going to be a very casual meeting, let me tell you. This is going to be a deep meeting. This is going to be something where you guys are going to talk about what is happening inside deep down, like as in feelings of your heart, what you are feeling, what is it that you're going through. You guys are going to share insights about how things have been all this while, and you guys are also going to talk about maybe taking the way forward, is what I'm seeing with the card Great Adventure. I sense that, it's like a leap of faith. This card is kind of like a leap of faith for me. Look at this image. This person is sailing to the vistas, basically, vast vistas. So I think that they are going to speak to you about something that they've always wanted, and something that both of you in fact have always wanted from the connection. So that's the kind of engagement that I'm seeing while you guys meet. Now, with this spend quality time together, I see this to be a very romantic meeting. Now, if you see these two, the couple is kissing each other, and there is moonlight, this looks beautiful, and it is quality time, all right? And I think you guys are going to meet alone, probably during the night, as in for a dinner or however it is going to work out. I don't know. Uh, it just looks as if it's going to be very very romantic, and it is going to be something that you will cherish for the rest of your life. Now, having said that, I also feel that your person has got some sort of a clarity about the situation. They've got some kind of a I have the third eye chakra, which I mean purple here. So I think there's a lot of love, no doubt about it. But yeah, there is some kind of a eye opener kind of a event that has happened for your person during this time. Okay, when I say eye opener, it just means that maybe they have understood that this connection is what they want. Okay, and it has been an eye opener moment for them, and they're willing to open their heart now. They're willing to uh, talk, they're willing to express, is what I'm seeing. Expression is also what I'm seeing. Your person could have been holding back a lot all this while, and now they're going to express, is what I pick up. Now, as I said, I started with the thing that, there has been a lot of work that has been put in on this connection, and it has been ongoing. So I get it that it has not been a very easy journey for both of you. It's not. I understand that. But don't give up. I don't know why I'm saying this. I might sound that I'm convincing you, but no, it seems like that from the pile, that don't give up, because this is not the time to give up, because you're very close to your goal now. Okay, you're very close to what you've been working for all this while. It's just here. It's right here. Okay, so have some patience, is what I'm seeing. Have some patience, and you will see the rewards. You will see what is coming for you. It's going to be beautiful. Maybe you guys have gotten delayed because of the corona outbreak. I think there was a plan to meet, and this thing got cancelled for some of you. But yeah, majority, I know that I think your person hasn't given up, and I think even you are not willing to give up this connection because it's very special for you. And I see that, yeah, you've put in a lot of hard work, a lot of effort in this connection for it to blossom. And now it's coming to reality, it is coming to fruition, I would say. Okay. And yeah, I see that the conversations are going to be about talking about the way forward, exploring the way forward. And I also see that you guys will be spending a very good quality time with each other. Okay, such a pretty pile. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with all of you. This looks nice to me. And yeah, private reading details are there in the description box. You can reach out to me for that. This feels very, very nice, guys. I hope, and please let me know whoever chose pile number one, because this is very pretty. And having said that, I hope all of you out there are staying safe, taking care of yourself. Please, please, please stay positive because, yeah, things will become better. It's about raising your vibration, and vibrations only raise when you are in a positive frequency. All right, positivity is very important. So move towards positivity because that is what is going to help you out in this situation. Stay safe, stay home, and I will be back with more readings so that you can have a good time at home sitting watching them. And stay tuned to my channel, and I'll move to pile number 2. Thank you. Bye. Okay, pile number 2. I don't know why I've just been feeling so happy since morning for some reason. Okay. And while I do this pile, I think I'm feeling even more happier. Maybe there's a happy message for you, some good news, let's see. Give me a moment. Will you meet them soon? Okay, so Green Aventurine. Wow, true love. This love is once in a lifetime. I can just keep looking at this card. Wow. Knight of Cups. Finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. Okay. Just breathe. Interesting. Strengthening bonds. This is, I think, the Ace of Wands in the traditional tarot, and this is Four of Swords. Connected. Yes, yes, yes. As we began, the answer whether you guys are going to meet anytime soon. Yes, guys, you guys are going to meet for sure. Okay, and what I sense here is that this is going to be a new beginning. A new beginning. Okay, the universe, probably take how it resonates because this is a general reading. So the universe right now is telling you to breathe. Okay, relax. It will happen. All right. Now, I do sense that your person is understanding with each and every passing day that their love for you is very, very strong. Very strong, and it is strengthening the bond between the two of you. All right. I do feel that they know, and I think even you know, that this is a romance or a love of a lifetime. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. All right. So I sense that with the Knight of Cups card, yes, I think your person is going to propose this meeting, or it could be you also. But one of you is going to propose this meeting, and yeah, the meeting will happen. What I see is that when you guys meet, the conversations or whatever is going to happen is, I see a very romantic moment between the two of you with this card and with strengthening bonds. I think that you guys are going to be talking about starting afresh. Okay, I think maybe one message that I'm hearing now is that your effort is not going in vain. It's not going in vain. It will come to fruition, and that is what the universe is trying to tell you from this pile. It is just, the cards are telling me to tell this to you. It is going to come to fruition. I am seeing that during this period, of course, this lockdown and quarantine time, I think this period for a lot of people has been a gateway or a portal of opening up their spiritual senses. And this is exactly what's happening with you and your person. And there is going to be a meeting very, very soon. Okay? I think probably next month or so. Now this is general timelines can change, guys. So I think it was to happen sometime in April, and I think it is getting deferred by one more month, I think. But your person is not losing hope at all. If you see this Knight of Cups card, he's still coming. It can be he or she, take it how it resonates. It's still coming towards you with this cup full of love. Okay? And you will be receptive, is what I'm seeing. You will be receptive. But at the moment, don't lose hope. Because I see that this meeting is going to mark the new beginning in your relationship. A very fresh start. A very fresh start. This meeting is going to mark that. Okay? I also see that I think, okay, I'll tell you one point that I'm getting. It could take how it resonates. I think that your person initially, of course, the meeting was planned, all of it was there, but I think if this got cancelled, it is a little similar to pile number one. If the, I don't know if this happened even yesterday. So if this meeting got cancelled, okay, I'm seeing that this time your person is actually realizing that this love is a love of a lifetime. This feeling, this connection, this bond is here to stay. It has stayed and it is going to stay. It will. Because it cannot break. Yeah. I see that there is a little element of sadness in your person. Little bit. Maybe they miss you or something. And they wanted to. I think they want to, in fact. They were really looking forward to this meeting. Or probably they're just thinking about how to plan it next. Okay, and they are doing it very seriously. I don't see any element of uh, delay or anything. No, this is happening. This is happening for sure. You guys are going to meet, and this will mark the new beginning in your relationship. This I can vouch for from this pile. You guys have a very, very intense connection. I see animals, trees, flowers, uh, music. Maybe this is a soulmate twin flame connection that I'm picking up. Uh, but then, guys, just one suggestion, don't go by labels. This can be a connection here. You don't have to know whether it is a twin flame or a soulmate. I pick it up because there are some people who know about it. So maybe you can relate. I do sense that this connection is very deep. It runs really, really deep. I'm seeing fireworks. I'm seeing, I'm seeing a baby. Possible that, your person might just land up proposing you for marriage. So this is gorgeous. This pile is beautiful. Yes. Yes, there will be a meeting and it is going to strengthen the bond between the two of you, marking a new beginning in your relationship. Okay, let me know in the comment section if this resonated with you guys. Private reading details are there in the description, so you can reach out to me. And I really hope that this gave you a message. I really hope that you got some clarity here. And I will be back soon again with another reading. Till then, please take care of yourself, stay safe. And I really, really hope that all of you out there are staying positive and spreading positivity. Thank you, and I'll move to pile number 3. Bye. Hey guys, pile number 3, black obsidian. So now let's see, are you going to meet them soon? Just give me a moment. Here's the crystal. Let's see the cards. Physical touch. A tender touch can mean so much. 10 of Cups. All my piles have been a yes. I don't know. Let me just spread out the cards first. Answering the call. The time is now. Wow. Nurture. Dreams coming true. I am so happy that all my three piles, the answer is yes. But the situations are a little different, so I'll just take you through that. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so the first question that we were looking at, are you going to meet them soon? This is going to be very soon. Time is now. I mean, I didn't even ask for it, and this card is here. So, this is basically, it's just there. Probably once this entire situation is over, I think the first thing that is going to happen is you meeting your person. Now, having said that, what is the meeting going to be like? Now, firstly, I feel that your person, I think, would be, I mean, this, I don't know, this looks to me like a proposal. I think your person, I mean, both these cards, there's a story here and here. So I think that your person might be proposing you for marriage or taking it to the next level. Maybe if you guys were just dating, this is going to be a relationship, from relationship to commitment, or I mean, to a marriage, engagement, take how it resonates. So I do think that your person is going to, I think this is your person. Your person is going to take that way forward. They are going to answer the call, all right? Now, I think that during this while, your person has realized that this relationship is like a dream come true. It's like something that they've always, I think, with this card, I'm seeing manifestation for some reason. They've always wanted this, okay? They have called for it, they have wanted this, and now it is here. And they know it that it is here. It's not that I don't see resistance, any kind of resistance. So, yeah, definitely they are going to meet, and the meeting is going to happen. And I see that the conversations or whatever the meeting is going to be like, I see that this is going to be very, very cheerful. I'm getting a very happy vibe here. It is, your person is going to be very chivalrous with you, or vice versa. Please take it how it resonates. If it's a guy watching, so yeah, I see that your girl is going to be very, very soft and feminine towards you, trying to tell you and making you realize the importance that she or he feels about the connection. Okay? And I don't see any sort of a resistance here at all. Okay? It's reaching a phase, your connection is reaching a phase where I see that the bond or the connection is going to be nurtured by both of you. Is going to be nurtured by both of you, and I'm seeing a lot of gratitude from your person towards the divine. They feel that, they feel thankful that the divine answered this thing, the divine gave this thing to them. They feel very thankful. Answering the call. So I feel that, your person is in a energy of gratitude, and they're just thanking the universe, or whichever form they feel or worship the divine in. They are thanking that divine power, that, thank you for listening to my prayers, thank you for understanding that I needed this in my life. I think your person actually was in need of a very soft connection, something that nurtured them, something that, kept them childlike. I'm picking up the energy of childlike. And the divine they feel that the divine has blessed them with this. Okay, it's like they understand that their dream is coming true. Wow, they understand this thing, and they want the 10 of cups. They want this with you. Probably, I do sense that they are going to probably propose you for marriage, or maybe propose you to take the family forward. Let's get into a relationship, because I don't see, I feel that they don't want to let you go. They can't lose you, not this time. I don't know why I'm saying not this time. Maybe a lot of you are like in a reconciliation phase or something. Maybe this message was for those people. So yeah, I think that I think even holding your hand or something like that gives them or creates an energy for them which makes them feel very uh, happy. There's a lot. The tender touch is what I'm picking up. Okay, the tender touch, which just makes them feel very stable. Very, I think your person has been in need of love, and you give that to them. They know this. You give that to them. They want stability in their life. They are looking for stability now. They want that full picture, the full 10 of cups picture in their life. They don't want to settle down for anything lesser than that. They want this full picture for them. And they know that you are their call, you are their wish come true. And they feel gratitude towards the divine, I can see. And of course, this is the Empress card in the traditional tarot. So I think that even you have equally manifested this connection in your life, and it's reached a point where there is some amount of gratitude exchange, I think, from your side as well as from their side. They feel happy about it. Okay, guys, all my three piles have been beautiful, and I'm so happy. I'm just in a very happy energy today. I hope this reading resonates with you, and I really hope that you meet them very soon, and this picture comes true for you. Private reading details are there in the description box, so you can reach out to me. And I really, really hope that you guys have got a message here, and whatever it is, I hope that you get a solution through my readings. Please take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive, because that's what is going to help us fight this ahead. So take care. I'll be back with another reading. Bye.